Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my newest unboxing video. I haven't unboxed the handbag in quite a while, so I'm so excited about this video today. And this is going to be a me-loy unboxing. So me-loy was kind enough to send me another one of their handbags. And for those of you who don't know, me-loy is a handbag company that was founded in 2015. So it is a fairly recent and new company. Their handbags are made in Istanbul, Turkey. And now they do have headquarters in the US as well as in Turkey. They also recently just opened up their own me-loy boutique in Milan. To my knowledge, that is their only boutique in the world so far. I'm sure there are many more coming up. However, they do also sell their handbags or works of art in other high-end stores across the world. They do sell me-loy handbags in luxury department stores such as les Galeries, Lafayette, as well as Harvey, Nichols, and plenty of other ones. You can check them out on their website. And the brand is getting bigger and bigger every day, every month, every year, and that's really no surprise to me. It won't be to you as well after I unbox this handbag. And their focus really is on offering and providing creatively designed handbags while simultaneously providing a good quality, good materials, craftsmanship, and just sustainability. And it's not hard to see once I unbox this handbag that is really what they do provide and offer in their beautiful designs and products. So for them, it really is about quality over quantity, which is such a European way of thinking, in my opinion. And they're so serious about this that if you do happen or if you do end up ordering a handbag or a product from their website, if you are not completely satisfied, they will take it back, no problem. And I can proudly say that this is not my first me-loy handbag, so I can confidently say that their handbags are like works of art. They're just not any old handbag you buy at any old department store. You can really tell, it's really obvious that there is a lot of care that goes into the production and a lot of creativity into their designs. So I'm so excited to unbox this bag. Without further ado, let's get started. So their handbags do come in beautiful green boxes like this, and you just can see me-loy scrawled across the front. It's so beautiful. I don't want to ruin the tissue paper or wrapping whatsoever. So it does come with a strap, obviously. So it's not a clutch. I also have the green dust bag that it comes in. And ta-da! Here is the Mini Flex in mirror color. As soon as I saw this handbag, I was in love. I just love the color. It's really different, and as you'll be able to see, the handbag is really different as well and just really cool in my opinion. And I just can't get over how cute this bag is. It is the mini size, but as you can see, and as I'll probably mention other times in this video, it does fit enough. What's also great is that there are 3 different ways to wear the handbag, but it completely changes the handbag each and every one of those ways. So for the 3 main ways you can wear this bag, the first way is just the way you get the bag. It comes like this. Basically, you can carry it in your hands, just like so, or on your wrist. And it kind of makes for like a cute little 90s mini bag. So as you can see, there is this short little strap. Let me just try to unbuckle it. There's this little strap that makes your handle or strap, if you will. It's kind of in a loop. So what you do is you kind of just fold it on and clip it to the ring on the other end of the bag. And there you have your little handle bag. The second way you can wear this bag, and this is my favorite, it's also in the way you wear it is on your wrist. Now I am warning you guys that the leather is a little stiff just because it's new, so it might look a little awkward at first, but with time and with use, it's gonna kind of take the shape. So you kind of, as you can see, I will show you later on, but there is like a suede panel here, making the bag more flexible. What you kind of do is you push the bag together, the ends together like this. And you kind of clip it in. So I will do that and show you the finished product. Now, obviously it's very cute. This is one of my favorite ways, but I agree. One point is that it's not convenient to get into and out of, but hey, it's very cute nonetheless, and I will be wearing it like this. So basically what you do is you can kind of carry it like this or hold it on your wrist, and it kind of makes this cute little lantern-ish shape. And the way I transformed my bag into this way of wearing it, basically the ring does come with this leather piece. You kind of basically have to move it up, clip your ring onto the strap like that, and there you have it. That's your bag. This is the second way you can wear it, and I just love this way so much. I just find it adorable. It changes the bag, the look of the bag so much. To undo the bag, I will show you. You kind of have to loosen the loop, move it up a bit to give you more space and leeway, and then you just unhook the bag. And the third and final way is on your shoulder, and you do that by, obviously you have to add a piece to this. You do that by adding your shoulder strap. The shoulder strap also comes with a bunch of holes in it, I mean. So you can kind of adjust the length to the length you'd like. So basically one end has the ring, the other end is just a loop. So obviously the ring is attached to this loop, this part of the bag. Just like that. And the loop is attached to the ring on the other end of the bag. And there you have it. So you can wear it on your shoulder or across your shoulder. I'm more of a shoulder girl, so I would basically just shorten this to a decent length, or a length that I prefer. I don't like when my shoulder bags are too long. So I would probably shorten it to like about there and just wear it on my shoulder. So the bag is made in Italian calf leather. The top of the bag is in suede. All the hardware on the bag, as you can see, is in silver, so it looks great beside the mirror effect. The bag is zipper closure, so all your stuff can be safely placed inside without them falling out or getting stolen or whatnot. And as you can see, the front of the bag as well as the back, they're identical, so there really is no front or back to the bag. It's composed of 3 pieces of leather, so these triangular shapes are all sewn together, and it makes the bag flexible and gives it more of like a 3D effect, if you will. The top of the bag is in suede, which makes it really flexible and malleable, so it makes it possible to fold the bag and have that crazy little like lantern shape way of carrying it. The sides of the bag are pretty simple. They're basically just triangular and just silver in shape. What I do love is the detail at the bottom of the bag. So it does say me-loy at the bottom of the bag. It's embossed into the bag. And on the hardware, there is me-loy embossed into it as well. So the detail on the bag is just crazy. The stitching is perfect. It's all in grayish silver stitching. And as you can see, the background behind the triangular panels is in black. So everything just blends in and melts in very easily, giving it this like futuristic mirror type of effect. Like I mentioned, it is zipper pull. The zipper is in silver hardware, and the zipper tab is just a rectangular leather piece. If we do take a look inside the bag, it is lined in canvas. It kind of has like a suede feel, but you can tell it's not suede. It's really just like a canvasy type of material. And you do have a piece of, well, basically the bottom of the bag and the sides are in the same leather as the exterior. And it does say me-loy, handcrafted from finest leather, and they really aren't lying when they say this. That is embossed into the bottom of the bag. I can try to show you. I don't know how well it will come out on camera. Now, there's no pockets to this bag, but that's okay. I don't think you need one for this type of bag at all. So it is a pretty simple bag when you do look at it. Simple, but interesting and a creative design at the same time. The shoulder strap does have 6 holes, so you can really play around with the lengths and just change up the different lengths of if you're wearing it on your shoulder, in the crook of your arm, across your shoulder. The possibilities are endless. And like I mentioned, it does come with a ring at one end with your me-loy scrawled across it. And this little, look at the detail on this bag and the accessories, it's amazing. The little piece that goes into the hole so you can that allows you to change the length of the strap. The back of the stud, well, there is also me-loy engraved into it. So like I mentioned, the details are just high quality, luxury, and it just feels so luxurious. It looks expensive and it's great. So like I mentioned, this is a mini size bag, but it does fit a ton. While it is big enough, maybe not a ton, you can't fit your laptop in here or bigger items, but it is big enough to store your card holder or wallet, a lip gloss, and your set of keys. You have more than enough space in this bag for that. Let me just show you. So here's my card holder. I have my lipstick or lip gloss, my car keys, and honestly, I will show you the inside. It isn't even halfway filled, so you do have space. You can add a little bit more in here, a little perfume, a little brush, some sanitary products, Purell or hand sanitizer. All that stuff fits in here. Your phone, I do have enough space for my phone. I have an iPhone 11, I believe 11 or 12, and it does fit in the bag as well. So you do have more than enough space, and it doesn't look overstuffed. It looks great. Nothing pops out where it shouldn't. No pieces of leather are sticking out. No suede. Is like everything's folded and in its place. So that's great. The dimensions of the bag, I will put them in the description box below and on the screen. And as for the care of this bag, it is a leather bag, so you do have to store it and care for it in specific ways. What I love is that they do put the care label, the leather care label, onto the handbag. But basically they recommend to store it in the dust bag, fully stuffed and standing upright. Obviously, you don't want these sides to kind of push in with time. So as you can see, it does have like that 3D shape. They also suggest not to overfill your bag, which is normal because you don't want it to lose its shape. Or the handles may get damaged. Obviously, if you overstuff your bag is heavier than it should be, so the leather stretches. Your strap or handle does get stretched and ruined over time. Do not put it in contact with water. Take care with lighter colored clothes. I don't think I'll have an issue with rubbing with this color or this dye, but with other darker colors maybe. And you can bring it for a deep clean. You can bring it to a leather goods repair shop and they will deep clean it for you. For the pricing of this bag, I did mention it feels luxurious and high quality, and it's just so original in design. However, these handbags are just so reasonably priced, it's crazy. This particular Mini Flex bag in the mirror color, the mirror is a little bit more expensive than their other colors. So this handbag goes for 445 USD. So yes, it is a chunk of money, but it's still very reasonably priced considering the design, the quality, and just the feel of the handbag in general. I know I keep repeating myself, but it's true. You guys have to take a look for yourself. So the Flex does come in 3 different sizes. They have their regular original size. They have the mini size, which is this one, and they have a smaller version, which is the micro. I haven't seen the micro in person, so I can't really tell you compared to this one how small or big it is, but that's there for you if you are interested. It also comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is mirror, but they do have gray, camel-y, tan color, kind of like a pastel multicolor. They also have white, they have bone, a bunch of colors. There's something there for all of you. And I will leave the link to this handbag in my description box. If you're looking for a good quality, luxurious feeling handbag, well, you will find something on the me-loy website, and you won't have to break the bank to get your hands on it, which is always great. So me-loy, you have done it again. I am completely blown away with this bag. It's like carrying art in the palm of my hand, literally. And it really is, when I say this, I truly mean it. It really is comparable to many luxury handbag companies and designers and houses out there. The design is like no other. There is no handbag out there in terms of aesthetic and look that kind of is similar to this one. So I do predict big things for me-loy in the future because of their quality and originality. And thank you all for watching and supporting. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave all your comments and questions in the description box below. I'll be sure to answer. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!